Okay guys, welcome back to another friggin' video. Okay, we're coming here with the vibe. I'm a lovely with the vibes. I want you guys to watch how I create this look right here. So if you want to see, then keep on watching. So yeah, as I was saying, we just gotta stay safe during this whole quarantine situation, this whole corona situation. Like, this is not a joke. Like, we gotta really take it serious. Force yourself to stay home. If you're going outside, let it only be straight to the grocery store and straight back home. Not taking no risk at all, so let us all be safe, okay? Right now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe chocolate mousse, and this is I'm gonna use this for my eyebrows and the spoolie to just brush out my eyebrows. Lately I've been doing my eyebrows so like light and thin, thank you Lord.
So hey my lovelies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Lovelyy here, and I'm back with another one. I hope you guys love my new hair color. You know, I try to bring out something new to the channel for you guys. And if you're new here, thank you and welcome. I welcome you with all the love I got.
Tuning. Everybody subscribe. 1, 2.
This is embarrassing.
This life I can't keep myself.
I'm just gonna go set my eye with my LA Girl concealer in Toffee. This is an oldie but a goodie. Went to Walmart and I picked up this hard candy palette. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to be grabbing that purple right there. It's a nice deep plum purple.
I just realized something. I call all my dark purple eyeshadows deep plum purple because that's just how it looks to me, okay? This is the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Etch. So as you guys can see, I'm just following the line of my eyelids. So anywhere you see the cut of your eyelid line, follow through and it will go so smooth to make a cut crease.
I think I'm gonna go in with these two colors, Midnight In, and then the next color is called Aphrodite. Super pretty, I just swatched it.
So with the foundation, I went in with my e.l.f. chocolate foundation. You guys already know.
Trying a concealer, Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I think I got this in the number 12.
I know, this is looking way too yellow, but it actually blended out so nice and smooth. And I don't know why I haven't grabbed this concealer in a while. Like, I just have it in my drawer and I never ever grab it. But I'm happy I grabbed it for this look. And I used the beauty blender just for it to give me a nice, smooth, flawless finish. And just to add more coverage to my face. And the powder that I'm actually using to set my under eye concealer is the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder in the number 30. This is my baby. Now I'm using my Morphe powder in the number 13, and I'm using this for my face just to bring some color back and just to smooth out my face even better from all that dusty setting powder that we placed on top of our concealer.
I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. black liner just for it to like pop a little bit more. Yeah, and add some of that pink right here, and that pink is called Prettiest Beach, so that's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, it like stands the frig out. It's like a nice like pearl twinkle pink. Now for some bronzer, it's from Morphe and it's the Glamour Bronze. Okay, look at the packaging. It's so friggin' gorgeous. And it says big bold bronze. We're bringing the stun to you. This large and in charge palette delivers a buildable bronze to keep that sultry vibe going strong. I love that. And it's in the color leader. This is like a big planet.
Comparing.
Do you guys see it? It's more, so it's more softer than the CoverGirl bronzer. If you want to really do like a nice soft look with this, you'll be fine. Like, look at my face right now. You're joking. You're joking me. Oh my god, it's breaking. Fall just made it break a little bit, but it will survive. Very sensitive, so make sure you guys don't make it drop, or else that shit will break. Look at that. Ooh, maybe I don't want too much. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. Yeah, that's pretty. See, the only thing is I don't want too much.
This highlighter is life, and every Barbie doll needs to grab one, okay? I got it from Walmart.
I'm gonna go in with Kiss Professional's lip liner in Burgundy, and I'm also gonna go in with NYX lip gloss in Marshmallow. So to go in with the Morphe one and Richie. The look is complete. Did my hair myself. No one could talk to me, okay? That's it. No one could talk to me after this, okay? Okay, just distance yourself now. Levels now. Levels. What do you guys think about this look? I didn't do no wing liner, so it's actually looking succulent and pretty and decent. I'm really loving it. It's a vibe. I should talk to you guys more often on my channel because I feel like I'm not engaging with you guys more, and I really do want to engage with you guys. I just feel like I talk so friggin' much and the video will just be super long, but I'll try my best to like really engage with you guys. And I love this look so friggin' much, and I hope you guys love it too.
And that's the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Let me know if you love this look. Give our hearts down below. And until next time, guys. Bye. Mwah.